this video, I'm going to show you how you can use GrabMart voucher code. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Grab on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Make sure that your location is pinned into your current location. Now click on the Mart section. Now in here, you'll be able to find all of the available GrabMarts where you can order from. So go ahead and select from this GrabMart stores and click on that specific store that you prefer. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down and look for that specific product that you want to buy on GrabMart. So you can go ahead and scroll down and look for that specific item that you want to buy in this section. Now once you've found that specific item, go ahead and click on the plus icon at the bottom right of that item. Now go ahead and click on your basket to be able to view that item on your basket. Now once you scroll down in the section, you'll be able to find the offers section under the payment details. So go ahead and use offers. Click on use Grab gifts. And in this section, go ahead and enter your GrabMart voucher code. After you enter that in this section, that specific voucher will be redeemed for your current GrabMart order. And that is how you can simply use GrabMart voucher code. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.